I am Jovanye from level 7 and I'm from Naga Public School. The letter I pick is L.
Your first word is executive.
EXECUTIVE.
Correct. Your next word is dessert.
Sir, could you please repeat the word?
Dessert.
Definition, please.
Sweet dishes usually eaten at the end of a meal.
DESSERT.
Correct? Your next word is tournament.
TOURNAMENT.
Correct? Your next word is Kuiper belt.
Sir, definition, please.
A region beyond Neptune containing many icy bodies and dwarf planets.
KUIPERBELT.
Correct? Your next word is bioluminescent.
Sir, could you please repeat?
Bioluminescent.
BIOLUMNI. BIOLUINESCENT.
Wrong. Your next word is atrium.
Atrium. ATRIUM.
Correct? Your next word is indulgence.
Indulgent.
Yes. Indulgence.
INDUL. Indulgence.
Yes.
INDULGENCE.
Correct. Your next word is conquer.
Definition, please.
To defeat or overcome.
CONQUER.
Correct? Your next word is wishbone.
Sir, definition, please.
Flower, also known as love in a mist or Gruyere.
Could you repeat the word, please?
Wishbone.
WISHBOND.
Wrong. Your next word is fishing.
FISHING.
Wrong. You should have asked for the definition. Done. Thank you.
H.
Okay, ready? Your first word is levy.
Levy. LEVY.
Correct? The next word is treachery.
TREACHERY.
Correct? The next word is robust.
Rhombus.
Robust.
R-O-B-U-S-T.
Correct. The next word is repression.
Pardon?
Repression.
R-E-P-R-E-S-S-I-O-N.
Correct. The next word is prostration.
P-R-O-S-T-R-A-T-I-O-N.
Correct. The next word is abolish.
A-B-O-L-I-S-H.
Correct. The next word is espionage.
Pardon?
Espionage.
E-S-P-I-O-N-A-G-E.
Correct. The next word is caste.
Excuse me?
Caste.
C-A-S-T.
Wrong. The next word is middling.
Pardon?
Middling.
Time's up.
Your first word is heuristic.
Pardon?
Heuristic.
Meaning, please.
A problem-solving method based on experience and trial and error rather than formal rules.
Pass.
Your next word is numismatic.
N-U-M-I-S-M-A-T-I-C.
Correct. Your next word is squamous epithelium.
Please repeat.
Squamous epithelium.
Squareness or squamous?
Squamous. Squamous.
Meaning, please.
A type of flat, thin tissue that lines surfaces such as the skin and inner organs.
S-Q-U-A-N-M-U-S-A-P-E-T-H-E-L-I-U-M.
Correct? The next word is prokaryotes.
Meaning, please.
Single-celled organisms such as bacteria that lack a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles.
Sir, can you please repeat?
Prokaryotes.
P-R-O. Prokaryotes.
Prokaryotes.
P-R-O-C-A-R-R-I-E-T-S.
Wrong. Your last word is ailanthus.
Alienthus.
Not lien, lan. Ailanthus.
Alienthus. Meaning, please.
A fast-growing tree known as the tree of heaven, often found in urban areas.
A-L-A-N-T-H-U-S.
Repeat.
A-L-A-N-T-H-U-S.
Wrong. Thank you.